If you've been struggling with your pronunciation and accent in English, then this video is for you, because I'm going to teach you the secret to improving your pronunciation and accent fast. This method has helped me personally in my language learning journey and also transformed the English skills of my client. And this method is the shadowing technique. To improve your English speaking skills is to mimic native speakers through the shadowing technique. This means to listen to a piece of audio, like a video, a podcast, or even a TV show and movie, and try and copy as close as natively possible what the person you've chosen to copy says, really focusing on your pronunciation and accent. Listen to a sentence several times, repeating it until you can say it perfectly, and then move on to the next sentence. So the first thing you want to do is to choose the right material. Select audio and video materials that match your current level but still challenge you. You don't want to be shadowing a piece of English content that is too high of a level and that you don't really understand what's being said. This could be podcasts, YouTube videos, or TED Talks by English native speakers. Focus on material that have a few words that you don't understand and that you can learn, have clear pronunciation, and speak at a natural speed. Once you've selected your piece of audio, repeat and imitate as close as natively possible. Play the short clip, pause it, and immediately repeat what you hear, trying to mimic the native speaker's pronunciation, intonation, and rhythm as closely as possible. Repeat this process multiple times until you feel like you're speaking naturally. While you're doing this, really focus on your intonation and rhythm. Pay special attention to how native speakers stress certain words, pause between ideas, and use intonation to convey their meaning. Mimicking these elements will help you sound more natural and fluent. Next thing you want to do is to record yourself shadowing. I know you don't want to hear this. It is incredibly awkward and horrifying to hear yourself struggling through a foreign language, but it is also extremely important if you want to speak English at a really high level. By recording yourself shadowing, listening to it, it will help you hear the differences between what you said and what the native speaker said, and identify mistakes that you've made. So words that don't sound just right, or phrases that don't have the same rhythm as a native speaker. By doing this, you'll be shocked at how much faster progress you will make in English. And now you've learned about shadowing, your next step is to watch this video here, where I'm breaking down how to learn English at home for free. Thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. I hope to see you in a future video. Bye!